Alright, so you guys have seen a lot of videos on this 1993 Honda XR100 dirt bike. And you've seen everything I've done to it. I'm not going to explain it to you, but it will not idle right now. So this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get it to idle again. The problem is in the carburetor. The carburetor has an idle jet in there. And so if that is clogged, it'll run on the choke, the throttle down a little bit, it'll run, but it won't idle. So today we're gonna fix that. Alright, you can see right here that I'm holding the throttle down a little bit, and it's idling, but once I let go of the throttle, it dies. So that is something with the carburetor, so we're gonna take that apart right now. First thing, make sure your fuel is off. If you don't know how to do that, it's this little switch right here. Just read what it says. Right there it says off, on, and then reserve. Make sure that is on off right there. All you need is a 10mm wrench and a flathead and a Phillips screwdriver. First you're gonna grab your flathead screwdriver and take this screw out. Next you grab your wrench and you take off the nut on this side and on the other side. Okay, so look up in here, there is a little Phillips or a flathead right in there. You want to take that off because that is your fuel line. Super simple. Once you loosen that, it should just pop right off. It's probably a good idea to take off your piece of plastic here because it'll allow this to bend out better. And then you should be able to pull it out just like this. Anyway, that one right in the middle of all three of those, that is your idle jet right there. Alright, here it is. This is the little jet that was in there. Make sure you can see light through there. I can see light through there. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. So it was pretty clogged in there, but now you can put that back on there and see if it works. And then you just put it back on how you had it, like that, and then you just do exactly what you did before. Right now we have the whole thing, all the carburetor put back together, and now let's see if we can get it started and see if it'll run. There we go, guys. Now it's idling, just the idle jet inside the carburetor. Now it's running fine. Make sure you guys put everything back how you do it. Watch the video over and over again if you can't understand it. Don't rush the process. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace.